Hey guys, it's Lark again. So every now and again, we hear from customers who say that they can't get SweatBlock to work for them. Well, we have a really great track record of helping them figure out how. I know this is really hard to believe, but not everyone reads instructions. So there's a lot of people who actually apply SweatBlock as they would a normal antiperspirant, and they apply it in the morning. But that's not gonna work. Apply it at night. Make sure you apply it at night. And that way it can work its magic while you're sleeping or while your sweat glands are resting. But what if you have night sweats? What if, like me, a river passes through your bed every night and you wake up with the consequences feeling sweaty and gross? In that case, try and find a 4 to 5 hour period during the day when you know you won't be sweating and apply SweatBlock then. Another issue we see is when people do apply SweatBlock at night, they do that right, but they maybe have residue from deodorant during the day. When that happens, SweatBlock won't work. So you want to make sure your armpits are dry and clean. So shower up, wash your underarms, whatever you need to do, and then apply SweatBlock. So this one's mainly for the guys and also some of the girls. When you apply SweatBlock, you want to make sure you have good skin contact. So if you have long armpit hair, make sure you trim it or shave it completely. But if you do shave it, wait at least 24 hours before applying SweatBlock. One thing to remember is that the more you use SweatBlock, the more effective it becomes. So even if you don't get immediate results, make sure to keep trying. Try it 3 or 4 nights in a row, and then once you've found you're dry, just use it once a week thereafter or as needed. Hopefully these tips are helpful. If you're still having trouble though, please let us know. We would love to help. Just email us at support@sweatblock.com. Thanks guys.